This next song is called Campfire. Sunday, lying at the back, blowing shirt, hands to the grass, telescoping to some other girl, 17, the weight of the world, wild hopes in journal entries, ran a life, true late TV, stickman, fought in school books. That's just youth and young manhood. You say you're an outsider who got burned at a campfire. If I could reach through the flames to say you do you. I keep your couch closing down. Those hideaways still hold some doubt between us. Things I still dream, heading clouds where it's serene. You say you're an outsider who got burned at a campfire. If I could stamp out